Hello again. I thought I'd also do the berry knot tutorial with you today, as I was just referring to that. So I've also made a switch knot tutorial, which I will also be linking below. And above the switch knot, we had these berry knots. But I thought, why not make some more for this plant hanger that I'm working on? So for the berry knot, you will need something as a base for it. So I've got the square knot here. There's one little example of the square knot. Okay, just zooming in a bit there for you. So what you do with the berry knot is, like with an ordinary square knot, you can take the cord from the right or the left. We'll start from the right, and you make this kind of D shape over the central two cords. Then you take the one on the other side, in this case the left, and you go around the back of the central two, and then you pull it through, but leave two little holes at the top there, and you'll see why we do that soon. So with the berry knot, we're going to carry on making some square knots now. So take the one from the left, and then the one from the right over that, and pull it through. And by the way, if you'd like to see how to do square knots with slightly simpler, slower explanations, I'm also linking a video for that below. Right, so there you'll see we have one square knot below these two holes. So we're going to do another one. So take the cord from the right again, then from the left, around the back, and pull it through like that. And then we take the one from the left, that up a bit, and then from the right again, around the back, and pull it through. And then you take the one from the right again, over the central two, the one on the left, around the back of that, and we pull it through. So we're nearly there, but I like it so that we have 3 of these vertical lines on each side. I think that makes a nice berry knot. So we're going to do a little bit more. So we take the one on the left, over the middle two, the one on the right, over that one, around the back, and pull it through. And then one more half of a square knot. So we take the one on the right, put it over the middle two, take the one on the left, over that, around the back of the central two, and then pull it through. So there we go. And then what we're going to do next is we take the 2 ends of the central two. So you can see we've got the ends there. What makes it easier with the ends is if you attach some sellotape. So we could attach some sellotape here to make it a little bit easier and twist it round, but it shouldn't be too difficult. So the alternative is to just fold it in half so it's a bit stiffer, and then we'll put that one through that hole. There we go. And then we'll take the one on the left, and we'll do the same with that, and we'll put it through that other hole there. Getting there. And then, so we'll pull those central two, and there we have our little berry. But we just need to secure it now. So what we'll do to secure it is another square knot at the bottom. So I've taken the one on the right, go over the middle two. The one on the left goes over the one on the right, and then it goes around the back of the middle two. You see? And then we pull that tight like that. And then to secure the square even further, we'll take the one on the left this time, and then we take the one on the right. It goes over the one that's on the left, around the back, and then we pull it through like that. Okay, and I'm just going to show you the bigger picture, how that looks. So we can see now on the plant hanger that I'm working on, we've got the loop at the top, we've got some berry knots here as features, we've got that switch knot for a bit of negative space and to save some of the outer cord, and we've got another little berry knot here. So I'll do another row of berry knots all the way round. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. Next tutorial is going to be about adding colour with berry knots, so adding new pieces of cord. So I'll see you then. Thank you, bye. Hello everyone, I'm back again because I just wanted to show you another way to use the berry knot and for you to be able to see it in a finished piece. So here we actually have a macrame pod. It's one of my more experimental ones. I've used quite a few different kinds of knots in this, including in the tassel at the end there. And I thought rather than just having the usual square knots in the macrame pod, it'd be nice just to add this decorative feature with this row of berry knots. So I just thought I'd share that with you before going, so you can see how it would work in a piece like that. Okay, so I'll see you all everyone for my next video about adding colour with berry knots. Bye.